Hello everybody, it's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader at TheTechTrader.com. It's Monday the 28th of October. These are the charts of the day. Well, I would have to say good trading day, particularly at TheTechTrader.com. Not a great day in Wall Street per se, more of a consolidation day, but a lot of stocks we follow were running today. Over the weekend I mentioned Atomera to you because of the pop and the pennant. Well, today it popped that pennant and jumped 12.5%. The volume wasn't heavy. It's a thinly traded stock. Traded about $250,000. It appears maybe headed towards 4 3/4 and 5 1/4. CCL in the cruise ship lines, along with the airlines, looks like the cruise ships and airlines did well because oil's down substantially too. And you can see the way this popped out of a flag, and now looks like 24 is our target. While I'm on a subject, NCLH, same chart, now looking for 28. COMM may be popping its month-long flag. It's in a beautiful rising channel. My target now, and this might be a swing. It'll be upwards of about 12. Coya, almost an engulfing reversal bar, but you can see the 4-day flag with good volume picking up on it. Now looking for 11 and 12. DJT exploded today for an added 1080 or 28%. Still trading after hours near 50. I think the stock has legs. You may see 60. EH coming out of a coil or wedge. Good technicals. Today popped a little bit, about 7.5%, but should it get through the 19 1/4 half area, I'd be looking for 23. Glue with an explosive move on 100 million shares. Literally went from 489 to 1240 and backed off to 935. Still a massive explosive day. And a long-term multi-year channel might get the stock into low teens. GNPX exploded last week and pulled back. Today, after holding support, surged from 182 to 299, finished 274, up 76 cents, 38%. Target is 4.5 and 5.5. IBRX exploded Thursday and Friday, and today had an inside but a positive day where it gained 83 cents or 15%. The volume was a hefty 32.6 million. Your targets are 7.5 and 9. IONQ continues to trend in a beautiful rising channel with a target now of 20 and 23. LAC put a swing on it today as it broke out of a rounding bottom through key resistance here and exploded for 79 cents, 22%. Volume was 23.6 million. Extension targets are 5 and 6. Ltbr, after exploding for a week and a half, it pulled back down but reversed Friday. Again today up another 171 or 23%, 5.9 million, Target 12 3/4 and 15. MSTX, the ETF for MSTR, and the tracking ETF. It's a 1.75 times the percentage gain of the MTR. This one jumped almost 15% today and broke out. Extension target high 60s. And NNE in the power generation group, a little bit of a gain today, jumped 223, 11.6%. After bouncing off the trend line, I like it for a rerun in the high 20s. In WL, coming out of a base pattern with a breakaway gap Friday and a nice follow-through breakout above resistance today, jumping 9.4%, trading 11,700,000. And this is the highest level we've seen since September of last year. Now my target's 11. OKLO, one of the other power generators, still on fire. After holding support for a couple, 3 days near 17.5, it spiked today from 19 to 25 and change, finished 24.13, up 5.02, 26%. Extension target, high 20s, low 30s. PLL swing, snapping back. The last 3-4 days has gone from 1031 to today's high of 1370, up 191 today, 16%. Retesting 15 is the target, and 17 and 20. PRCT exploded on strong earnings today and jumped 1874, 27%. This one I think has legs, looking for 110 and 130. SERV broke out as well and spiked 22% on 17,400,000. Next target 14 1/4 and 18. Sangamo, a little low price puppy, exploded through 2 today out of a beautiful base pattern. My target now is 3 1/4. SMR, one of the other power generators, now headed for, in my opinion, 30 or better. SOUN. Pop, they pulled back consolidation, ran for 87 cents or 17%. Volume was 50 million. Looks to me like it's going to test 6 3/4 and 8.5. Wave, WAVE, the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth wave starting. Let's get it up through 12 1/4. And you might see 15 or 16. And finally, Chinese automotive play XPEV spiked out of a falling wedge, out of a wedge today, I should say, and jumped 110 or 10%. Mine was 21 million. I'm now looking for the stock to make a run at 13.5. And that's it for the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. Those were the charts of the day. Bye now.